Hi friends, Blake here. I am outside in my backyard and I am going to go on a little nature hunt to see what small natural treasures I can find. Now I'm going to be very careful to not pick anything off of trees or anything that could still be growing. I'm just going to look on the ground for anything that might have fallen that might be interesting for my nature box. So let me show you what my nature box looks like. Okay, so this is my dog Hudson, and Hudson and I have what's going to be our nature treasure chest tray. As you can see, this is just an egg crate that we've cut the top off of, like you might have at home, and we're going to try to find enough treasures to fill our tray. So let's see how many that would be. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, we're going on a nature hunt. Here's our workspace with all 12 of our nature items. I'm gonna just have some fun and explore these items. I'm gonna see what they feel like. Are they strong or delicate? What do I notice up close? See pollen. So you can take your time to discover what's in your nature chest. I decided I was going to do a little bit of exploration and see how silly I can get with my nature box. The first project I want to see if I can create is a face. I want to see if I can create a face with my nature items. So I'm going to start with, what do I use to see? Oh, my eyes. I like this shell as an option for an eye. Okay, how many eyes do I have on my face? 1, 2. There's 1, there's 2. Okay, I see it starting to form 2 eyes. Below my eyes is my nose. Let me see. What in my nature box do I think might make a cute nose? Oh, I see. How about this acorn? Let me see if that will work. Here's the acorn. I'm gonna make a little acorn nose. Can you see my eyes and my nose? Let me see if I can make a mouth. Ooh, what should I use as a mouth? I'm going to look. You might have different ideas. You can create your own face with your nature box. I think I want to use this pine cone as my mouth. Oop, a very serious face. So serious. Wonder if there's anything I can do to make it less serious. Let me see. Ooh, what if I added a tongue sticking out of the mouth? Does anyone see my face with a tongue sticking out? I wonder if I wanted to change up the face a little. I'll remove the tongue and put it back in my chest. Then I'm going to put this back in my nature chest as well. Let me see if I can create a whole new mouth. Ooh, what about a mouth that's shaped like this? Oh, look, my nature items are smiling in a face. I wonder what else you can create with your nature box. Can you make shapes and letters or numbers or faces? I can't wait to see what you create, friends. Bye. Have a good day.